Hello, welcome. In this section, we will discuss about planning and estimation in Agile. Firstly, we will discuss about planning in Agile. Planning happens in Agile at multiple levels. Mainly, there are two levels of planning that is happening in Agile. One is release planning. Another one is sprint planning. Now, let us discuss about release planning in this particular lecture. Release planning is like creating a high level roadmap for what features or functionalities a team will work on in a particular period. It answers what and when for delivering a larger set of features and updates. For example, imagine you are building a new version of the mobile app for online shopping. The team plans to release the app update within 6 months. Here is how the sample planning would look like. The goal is to update the app to improve the customer experience and add the new features like improved search option and personalized product recommendation. In the high level feature, you decide what are the major features that will be included in the 6-month update, like a better search and better recommendation, faster loading, better suggestion, etc. It will also include the timeline. It is set of targets like feature 1 will be delivered by month 2, feature 2 will be delivered by month 4. Like in this case, search will be delivered by month 2, recommendation is delivered by month 4. Like this, you plan the timeline and the outcome. The outcome that we want to achieve through this release is better search and better product recommendation. Let me open the sample template that I have created for release planning. This is the sample template or an example that I have created for release planning of an online shopping app. This is a sample. You can adjust and modify based on your requirement. First thing is goals. What you want to achieve through this release, right? You can mention all those goals. For example, here you have mentioned improve user experience with more responsive and accurate search and recommendation system. And if you can have more than one goals as well. This is a major release features and timeline. For example, here improved search means create a faster, smarter search function with auto suggestions, filters, and real-time search updates. We are estimated to deliver this in 1 to 2 months of time. The outcome of this delivery will be users can find a product more quickly with relevant personalized search result. Like this, for each of the major feature, you can mention here what are the feature, what is its description, when you are planning to deliver that, and what will be the outcome after its delivery, right? Here you can mention a detailed release milestone. For example, milestone 1 is improved search, planned to release by end of month 2. The goal here is to complete the development testing of improved search functionality. Task will be backend API setup, UI integration, functionality testing. These are the things need to be completed. These are the tasks need to be completed to achieve this milestone. Outcome is search functionality will be live with better speed, filtering, relevancy, and ready for feedback and adjustment. Like this, for each milestone, you can specify the goal, tasks involved, and outcome. And this is again another format of timeline, like month 1 to 2, what you are focusing on, what is the expected outcome, right? For example, improved search. We are focusing on first 2 months for improved search development. Outcome is search feature developed and tested, right? Like this, for month 3, month 4 and 5, month 5 or 6, month 6 will be release. Version 2.0 is launched with all the new features that have been mentioned here, right? So like this, you can do the release planning. Here you can mention what is the risk involved and what is the risk mitigation strategy. Change in user requirement or market trend. If there is a change in user requirement, regular stakeholder check-ins and user feedback session after each milestone. After each milestone, we will be getting regular feedback from the user so that you can mitigate this risk. If you wait until the end of 6 months and then finally show the product to the users, if user is not accepting that, your 6 months of work will get wasted. So mitigate that strategy every week, every 15 days, every month you show your updates to the customer so that they can give you immediate feedback. Feature delay due to unforeseen technical issues. Prioritize the features and keep a buffer period for addressing any critical issues. It means you keep some buffer days during your planning. If you need 10 days, keep another 2 days extra for you in case there are some unforeseen technical issue. Performance issues on certain devices. Continuous performance testing on multiple devices and early optimization for heavy functionalities. Right? You continuously do the performance testing as and when new features are developed so that any performance issue can also be notified and fixed. So this is some kind of a release planning template, and there is no particular standard for this. This is for example and understanding purpose. So you can modify this according to your own need. I will attach this template in the resource section of this lecture. Thank you for watching.